We didn't feel a lot of people that try to use us, try to take our money. Only immigration, you know.
Sitting there, they think you have cash money like that.
The majority, we felt like people wanted to support us. Like,
They can see me, mark me, think that I'm a girlfriend or wife even, but without the responsibility of that. Vanished. You don't have.
how many times did it happen to you?
Wow, a lot, like 6-7 times at least. It's unnormal, people. I was shocked.
Today we're going to speak about what we learned from Jamaican men.
What
In
we learn
Jamaica.
about Jamaican men
In Jamaica. Yeah. We're going to speak like after experience with 1 year, almost a year in Jamaica, you know, and we associated with a lot of people in Jamaica, like not upper, street, like Montego Bay, Kingston, like all over Jamaica. We made a research, you know.
With all the calculation stuff, yeah, we and now we got everything.
We took bar to be an experiment, you know.
Exhibit A. We are the Yamangers. If you don't know, we are sisters. Ayelet has a Jamaican boyfriend. More than 3 years, so we are associated with that culture a lot.
And with that country, it's something like we fell in love. We lived in Jamaica for almost a year. We were back and forth with Jamaica, Israel. So we decided to do this vlog to show you our, you know, life experiences and to make music.
Also, yes.
Of course, we're making music. The first thing that I learned about Jamaican men is that they are not frayerim.
Frayerim.
No, but Jamaican men sometimes they can look very innocent. They can look, it's funny to say innocent, but they can look very chilly. That they will help you. They will
maybe
be cute, naive and stuff. But if you get to know them, you understand that you cannot treat them whatever you want, and if you will say something like inappropriate or you say something that doesn't align with what they believe or what they think should be, you will see like they
crushed.
Like they are very strong. They know what they want, worth, I don't know. But you cannot trick them, Jamaican men. You cannot. Like, it's something that me and Bao will learn in Jamaica. Like, we thought, even when we met my boyfriend, we thought, wow, he's so cute. Like, it feels like he's naive, that you can do whatever you want to him. Not us, yeah, but like people around around us. But then we saw him like get pissed about something, like with someone on the phone, and then we understood that it's not like that. Like, maybe on the first look they look like that, but they're not.
It's not only the naive part, it's like you think that you can trick them or fool them, but they know everything, or they pay attention to details. It's not only when they are getting pissed, even before. It's like, I think they have tolerance.
They see everything.
Yeah, they see everything. I think they have tolerance until a certain point that
you cross their line. Once you cross their line, like, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
But this time of tolerance, sometimes you can interpret it as a naive, maybe fool, maybe little children. Naive, it's a good word.
Yeah. It's every time happened to us with Jamaican men, and then we understood it. All of them,
they are from the street, yeah.
Yeah, all of them, like, they know how to...
they need to combine things, they need to survive. So people that need to survive knows how to survive.
They have a street smart, you know.
Yeah. The next thing that I learned is that once they saw you and they mark you, like, they want you to be theirs. I don't know if you have some among you also that did it with me, and I don't know even. They can see me, mark me, think that I'm their girlfriend or wife even, but without the responsibility of that. It's only the envy, the jealousy, the I don't know, the imagination. They can cause me maybe feeling shame or guilt about stuff that I didn't even knew
Once
that
you
we have.
go out
like,
with someone, even if you didn't say that it's for like romantic
even
stuff,
if you are not going,
just going out with someone, for him it's like he's
even if I'm not going out, like, you remember this guy on the beach, the same, like, we didn't even went out together or something. It just, we were, both of us, he wanted me, and then in his mind I am his. But when I need support, for example, or when I need, you know, when you think that someone is yours, or relationship, You need to support them, to talk with them, to go out with them, maybe to, I don't know. So when this time came, like I want to get my check, vanished. You don't have. What? Who are you? What?
How many times did it happen to you?
Wow, a lot. Like I think 6, 7 times at least in Jamaica.
Just for you to know.
It's like it's abnormal. People, I was shocked. Really, you are mine, and then they are saying that, and they are every time.
You know, in the first time, like we met people, like we were in Jamaica, we said to ourselves, "Oh, they're so like gentlemen and romantic, and they're really like, like in the beginning they're there. It sounds like, wow, you find good man that he cares and he wants, but then something happened."
Like the smallest thing.
Like not something even like you can talk and figure it out. Like it's not something so big, okay? It's not like, I don't know, like someone cheated. Like, no, just a small story, and that's it. Like they can disappear for 1 week, 2 weeks.
The inappropriate word, I don't know, something that.
And like, sometimes it's culture crash. Like it's not really. Sometimes we don't know how we need to act in Jamaica, like we don't know what's rude and what not considered to Jamaica, because in Israel it's not rude, in Jamaica it is.
They just have their assumption for what I did or something, and then they are just...
and me and Bar, it's something that we really don't like to do, and I will say it. We don't like to say like all the Jamaican men are like that, all the Jamaican.
But we're on YouTube,
So we need to be like... But I feel like it's something that happens to us a lot, and we didn't really see much the opposite. Only maybe 2 cases, 1 case. So it's like the majority.
I think that it's something common to this culture, but maybe we are wrong, and then tell me differently, Because I had a small relationship, I had a long relationship, I had a lot of relationship with Jamaican men, and
it ended up the same story.
Yeah, it's quite the same. And also not relationship, just people that imagine the relationship, okay? Everything, I had everything.
The thing is, Bar was searching, like, till now, but back then she was
not searching.
She's not searching, they're coming.
Yeah, I'm not searching.
But when she was, like, starting speaking with someone, for her, she wanted a serious. What does it mean, serious? Family. Family, but a real one, that wife, husband,
they are
kids.
Together, not
together,
like in another country.
Yeah.
They are taking
together.
Together, building a house together, like a relationship,
together.
A partnership,
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she said it, like every time she started to speak with someone, she said, well, she's not searching for a casual thing. But no matter, next.
I'm not searching.
She's not searching. People die enough.
What are you looking for in a man now to wear this cologne?
I'm not looking for a man. Let's start there.
This is something that's very, very common in all the culture. Jamaican will stay Jamaican no matter where is he. Like, even if you fly to Canada, I don't know, England,
even if he wants to
US,
blend,
even if he wants to blend, there is something, also Israelis are like that, but there is something in this culture that is so strong that even if you're not in Jamaica for 20 years, you're still in Jamaica. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Like you're still...
In your mind, in your
culture. You're reading news in Jamaica. You are listening to music in Jamaica.
Music, all the release song now, and also they want all the time Aki and Saltfish. Aki and Saltfish, Aki and Saltfish.
Jerk chicken.
Jerk
all
chicken,
the
Aki
time.
and Saltfish, Aki and Saltfish. What?
Yeah. And also even like...
In Canada, for example, you have big
a lot of
Jamaican food because they have to eat their food.
Me and Bar, we flew to London, to Birmingham, to meet Chanel's family. Now, they left long time ago when they were like 20. They are more in England than in Jamaica. But they are so Jamaican. You know what I mean? Like they are so... Everything is Jamaican. Cooking dinner, Jamaican dinner. The accent.
The rum.
The rum. Everything, like, you can see that it's Jamaican. Like, they really care about their culture and to keep it. Even if it's not really... This is something that's really cool in Israel. I think it's more like the religious thing. Like, to keep the Judaism. So that there is an every house you will go, but Jewish house around the world. It will be pretty much... Of course, a lot of difference. But it will be like... pretty much the same. You will feel common. So in Jamaica, it's the culture. It's not necessarily like religious thing. It's just like culture thing. Jerk chicken, rum, music. Like, it's very cool. very cool, but wants to make a Jamaican house. So
Yeah, I will
Raise
continue.
them.
I will continue the tradition. Rom, jerk chicken, but not chicken. It will be vegetarian.
jerk tofu.
Jerk tofu. All this.
Yeah.
And Aki. I want
Wow,
Aki
Aki, it's the best.
The next thing is the Jamaican remember every little detail in their mind, and it can be
They're paying attention to everything.
for your own good or your worth. You can choose the situation.
It's true.
But this is difficult,
You talked to him, you did that. I saw you there. I saw you put your fingers on him like that.
It's not only a jealousy thing, it's in
No,
everything.
I saw that you
You
smiled
ate
when I
this.
said this. You like this.
Yeah. You dress like this.
You
and that's
drink
the-
rum and thing. I will get you rum and thing. It's really cute.
Sometimes it's creepy. Sometimes it makes me feel guilty, like I did something that I shouldn't. Sometimes it makes me feel.
But it's something that we
special.
really like because we like that people are paying attention to stuff. Especially men's, because usually men's, they don't pay attention to anything.
It's
but
not usually it's only because your father.
maybe way better. Once, okay, let's say the story. Once me and Barbie went out with PG. We went out the door, okay? PG. And then he said, "What, are you going to a party?" We
And
looked
then
at him like
I
that.
asked him, "It's a PG party or something?" No, I didn't pay attention what you were wearing. Just wanted you went out, so I asked.
He doesn't, no matter, next. Next. When Jamaicans men meet you and they want you to be their partner, they really want to support you financially.
Now we're talking, right? Because you think about all the guys that want to take your money because they see you as a tourist, and then they think that
Not
you are,
only tourists, also Jamaican girls that they need to work, they're not working. But
but they think that you are their supporter. Buy me a beer, buy me that. They are sitting there. They think you have cash money like that. Yeah.
and we felt it a bit, but the majority we felt like people wanted to support us, like people
The
wanted.
majority that we felt that wanted us like as a partner, not just want to use you or something, or just want amusing or night or whatever. It's like when they look at you as something.
Not only that, we got a lot also for people who didn't want anything, they just wanted to support us, to give us. But even people like on the street, not only people with money, upper, like for example,
3 years ago, I was with Jamaican guy that we had our story. You can even
Watch, I'll put it.
Yeah, watch it. But it was at the beginning, and I saw that he doesn't have a lot of money or money.
He was
even.
struggling with money.
and he was like a street boy, and I knew that. And we went out to a bar, and then he asked me if I want to drink something. So I told him no, because I didn't want him to buy me a drink, because I didn't feel that it's right. So I told him no, and then I had to ask me after, I think, 1 minute, do you want a drink? And then I told her, yeah. And he saw it, and then he saw that I had come with the drink for me, and then he looked at me, and he came to me, and he told me bar, and I'm like, what happened? And then he told me, why when I asked you if you want to drink, you said to me no, and then when I had to ask you, you said to her yeah, and I'm like, no, because I didn't want you to buy me a drink, and let me handle it. You understand? If I ask you and you won't tell me yes, I will handle it. Don't think about what I can or cannot do.
Sure.
If I ask and you won't, tell me yes.
I
If
feel like
don't
that's
want,
what we
okay.
felt there, the majority. Like we didn't feel a lot of people that tried to use us, tried to take our money. Only immigration, No, I'm kidding. Like seriously, we didn't feel it much. Maybe 3-4 times we felt it. Or people that also they brought us, but they always said to us that we have a lot of money while we don't. But
Yeah.
no matter, okay. I don't want
People
to.
want to assume stuff, but okay.
Yeah,
it's
because we
not-
look tourist
don't
or
not,
whatever.
It doesn't matter. I
But-
don't like that people assuming stuff about myself, like I'm tourist. Yeah,
It's true.
I can afford myself this trip from there to there.
That I can get
It's like-
whatever I want
it's
and buy on the
different,
bar.
world.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But it's something that really was also we were surprised by, because we heard all the people with like that they try to use tourists and all this, but we felt, maybe because we were so afraid about this, we felt like we're getting so much. Like we felt the opposite. Like people all the time wants to give us and to help us. Even in Negril, okay, in Negril that I heard that they are selling weed like 1 gram for like a lot of money, $20, while it costs for them even not $50, okay. Me and Ba, we were there, and we're not even smoking, yeah. Like let's put it there. But we just sat on the beach, and someone came with a big flower of weed, and it was like, I want to give you a present, and he just gave it to us and left.
Also another guy came to Ayelet, and we are not smokers even. He brought to Ayelet a weed, like something that he prepared in
Ready,
advance,
like
also
ready one, like a bag.
And
I was
he
like,
told her, I want to give
what?
you a
And then he
present.
said, it's a present for me, to you. And he left. Like it wasn't like it was, gave it to me and try like to get something. He just left.
Yeah.
I was like, wow. And it was our first week in Jamaica, so I feel like we got a lot of good experience in the beginning with that.
Yeah.
So maybe that's the reason. I don't know.
But also like what I've learned with my guy and Ayelet with her boyfriend, and how the shape, like the mindset is that it's like in every man in the world, maybe the base is
They want to support the woman.
they want to support the woman. Like they want to bring more money than the woman, and in order to feel the confidence, the safetyness, to
It's
bring
like what
you.
we spoke in Jerusalem.
Yeah,
It's like what
Yeah.
we spoke. I'll put it also.
it is like that. So we understood it also in Jamaica, although they have this like things that girls from abroad come and bring Jamaican men that doesn't have money in order to live better or stuff
We
like
didn't
that.
feel it. Not really.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching us. We love you a lot. Thank you for your support. If you like and subscribe, it helps us.
Now, maybe here, not there. You can, yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.